Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to reset your Windows PC pin in Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the web browser. Then on getting to the web browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the type search right here. Type in Microsoft account and press enter on your keyboard, and it will take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right there, click on sign in, and you will be asked to enter your username and password to sign in into your Microsoft account. After a successful sign into your Microsoft account, so let's see how you can simply change your Hello window pin that you used to log in into your Windows PC with just your Microsoft account. So the very first thing you need to do here on getting to your Microsoft account, you have to navigate to security section, click on security, and you will be taken to your security section right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to manage how I sign in. Click on that. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you go to reset Windows Hello on all my Windows device. So click on that, and this is going to pump up. This will reset Windows Hello on all of your Windows devices, so it can be used to access your Microsoft account services. What you need to do next is to click on reset window password, and you will have to provide new 6-digit PIN that you can be used to have access to your Microsoft account, Microsoft products, and your Windows PC. It's as simple as that. This is a very important security you need to set up with your Windows device. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.